Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify Wrap not working. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Spotify. So let me search, hit enter. And the first step you need to update that application. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open settings of your smartphone. Then you need to scroll down and click on app management. Here you need to click on app list and search for the Spotify. Click here. Then you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and restart your smartphone and log in into your Spotify account, and then you need to click on wrapped, and now you can see that my wrapped is working. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.